Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize your content preferences. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So you do this by going to this first icon here on the top left. That's your profile. So navigate down and you see content preferences at the bottom. So this is going to enable you select what type of content you want to be proposed, so that when you hop onto your Onn TV, the recommendations will be what you like. So for instance, I'm right here. I'm going to show you an example. So if you see something on the screen, this is Fast and Furious presents Hobbs and Shaw. If I click to the right, I'm seeing I want more content like this. So I'm agreeing with the content and I'll be shown more content like this. If I click to the left, it'll show less like this. So I'm not going to see those type of content pop up. So let me click to the right. Right there, you see that one. The next one is Jack Reacher, Never Go Back. If I do not like this, I click to the left and you show the next one. So Santi, Pinky, I don't like that, so I go to the left. Gemini, right. Gemini Man, right. Hero, left. And Jason Bourne. Let's say I do not know Jason Bourne, so I don't really know whether I like it or not. I don't want to mess up the content preferences. So I just choose up. That will skip it. That will not use it as a category. So Bad Boys Ride or Die, I take right. Beast, take left. G.I. Joe, my preferences is no, so left. DH, I don't know about that one. I'm taking left. San Andreas, I take right. So this is the process. Few Shades of Grey, I don't really know. Skip. Ballerina, I take right. And Mohola, I don't really know. Skip. So that is done. And now you see, based on your feedback, they'll update the recommendations soon. And you will see it's going to tune it so that your preferences are what you see proposed to you. So that's how you do it. I've shown you the entire process. If you found that insightful, you found value from that, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.